Hello everyone. Are you preparing for UPSC? Are you preparing for state civil services examination? Now you know Indian politics is very dynamic, and the most important aspect of Indian politics are the judgments of Supreme Court, High Court, because these judgments lay the precedent. There are three pillars of Indian democracy: judiciary, executive, and legislature. Without any one of these, democracy won't be able to sustain. Now this book, Important Judgments That Transformed India, is one of the best books for UPSC, especially for prelims and mains as well. Because no matter which answer you write, giving a reference of an important judgment will give you additional marks. And that is why this book is so important. Now I'll give you the link of this book in the description box below. You can click and directly purchase this book from Amazon. And how much? Just 188 rupees, the Kindle edition. It will be all for your life. On your laptop, iPad, your Kindle, anywhere. Read wherever you want, at whatever time you are free. It's one of the best books available in the market. And the writer has very beautifully summarized the most important historic judgments that have transformed our democracy and made it more vibrant. Now this book effectively caters to the requirement of competitive exams, especially for civil services and state civil services. But for a normal person, for a person who is not going to appear for UPSC, this book is more important, I believe, because we all as Indians should be knowing some of the historic judgments that have led the way the democracy functions in our country. And it is so very important for all of us to be aware of it. Yes, you should purchase this book. I'll give you the link in the description box below. You can click that link and you can purchase this book directly from Amazon. It will be one of the best investments of your lifetime. Thank you.